Welcome back, Terry community, to another delicious tutorial with me, your host, Tara Reed. After the last tutorial, Odie full of fruit and magic, I got me a bunch of uplifting messages. I have lost weight, all due to a new, all-natural ice cream recipe. No refined sugars added. Made entirely possible for you by the miracle food that is Nanotech. Nanotech! I told you the future was bananas. No one ever listens to Taro. Now I know what you're thinking. But Taro, I want to make delicious, healthy, but oh so simple banana ice cream. Well, sit tight, my little whiny one. I got you covered. Cool, creamy, nana icy. The creamy banana flavored ice cream tutorial. Come on! What you will need is a cotton board, 2 Nanotech bananas, a bowl, a fork, a knife. Oh yeah, a big knife, a freezer, some nuts, some raisins, and some dates. Take your 2 Nanotech bananas, toss them in a bowl, and whip them! Whip them like a misbehaving circus lion! A delicious, creamy banana lion. Now cut up your nuts, raisins, and dates. Tiny little bits here, nice and small. Now sprinkle your fixins on top and jam your bowl in the freezer. Anywhere it fits, find a spot. Make room! Allow some time to elapse depending how good your freezer device is. Check on it. Check on it again. Once enough time has passed, just retrieve your ice cream from the freezer and enjoy! So good! Well, that's it. That's all. What else were you waiting for? Oh, I get you. Bring the fun. As always, Terry community, stay stellar, fellers. Where'd my lucky shirt get to?